Hello, this is a video to show you how to transfer a slide from your favorite movie slide deck to the Our Favorite Movies slide deck, which is going to be a collection of one film selected by every student. All right, so the first thing that you'll need to do, as you'll see, I'm going to show you by putting in one of mine. All right. So the first thing I do is I go to my slide deck. All right. And, so this is my model. I'm going to select Blade Runner, not for any particular reason in this case. But, it'd be best if maybe you selected the most random, not the most popular of your favorite films, because it would be more interesting if there are not a lot of duplicates. So anyway, I select it, and then I simply I copy it. So you can right click, go to copy. All right, and so then you go back to the other slide deck, Our Favorite Movies. All right, so now you're at the other slide deck. You right click, go to paste. I recommend keeping your original style, but you can match styles if you like. And there she blows. The final thing is, I want to have everybody's name on this. So I'm going to go to text box. Mr. West. All right, and make it bigger than that. Let's see, what's a good size? 25 is a good size. And there she is, right? So if you look at it in regular presentation view, all right? And so the idea was we'll have, 30 plus slides with your trailer, your paragraph, and then your name in the bottom right corner. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Good luck.